Hello and welcome to another video. Today we've got this all black Volkswagen ID.5, and what are we going to be doing is the OEM Volkswagen Power Tailgate Upgrade. So currently the car has got this manual tailgate, so if I try to open it for you, I have to lift it myself with the handle. There's no button here and I have to pull it back down to get it down. So we're gonna upgrade it with the OEM Volkswagen Power Tailgate. So let's get to it and we'll show you when it's all done. All right, job is completed. So let's have a look now how this new Power Tailgate performs. So first I'm gonna go to the driver's side, open the door, and we'll find a newly installed switch in the driver's door card here. So if I literally just pull it, you can hear the tailgate fully opening now, and we can see it's all open, and you've got the button here to open it or close it from here as well. So I can just do that and it closes like that. So all the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. For more information, get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video. See you next one. Bye bye.